tradesmen
need to save money better. I'm not talking about a savings account, but an actual investment account for retirement. We work hard for our money, and we want our money to work hard for us. Famous investor Warren Buffett said himself, if you don't find a way to make money in your sleep, you will work until you die.
If you want to work until you
die, just quit watching this video right now. If you want to get an idea on how to make money in your sleep, keep watching.
budget,
Budget. Pay yourself first.
Act like
You are a bill. Act like you are the rent or you are the mortgage. And you don't want to get evicted. You are your own landlord.
But Chance,
I don't have any money to save. I live paycheck to paycheck. When?
Let's meet
Mr. Broke.
So that was just
Small amounts of math right there. Nothing crazy.
if you cut down on
Chew, Rockstar, or coffee every day, you can definitely find small amounts of money to save and then invest.
$25,
$50, $75, $100. Just try to find just a little bit that you can. Investing is extremely important. It's also important to have an emergency fund, at least like $1,000 or so if your tire blows up or something like that you can pay for it. You don't want to live on a credit card. Your emergency fund should not be a credit card. That's all bad. That's the reason why America is great again. All bad. The chart that I showed in the illustration of Mr. Broke was a compound interest calculator. I'll post a link down below on where I got that calculator from, and then you can punch your own numbers in and your own time frame, because everybody's numbers are going to be different and everybody's time frame is different. If you're 25 like me and have already started investing, then you can invest for 30, 35, 40 years, and then your snowball effect is greater and greater, because your first 1,000 will be harder than your last 1,000 to make. It's never too late to start saving for retirement, and every little bit counts. So that's very important. Every little bit counts.
the graph that I posted,
I'll post it again.
that graph,
Is just 10%. That was the average of the last 10 years.
people
Beat the average every day. So it's possible that you could even have better than those numbers that I showed you.
if you're interested
In learning more about investing and stuff like that, you can visit your local investing firm like Edward Jones or Berkshire Hathaway.
or
You can do like what I did and have a M1 finance account and make your own Roth IRA.
free,
No charge. It's awesome. Just buy some books and learn how to invest and just look up different strategies and stuff.
and I'm affiliated
with M1 Finance, so I'll post a link down below, and if you click that link, you will get $10 to start your portfolio, and you'll give me $10. So it's like a double whammy. It's a win-win.
Take action
On your retirement. Don't count on your employer's retirement plan or Social Security and the government, because none of that is guaranteed. You don't want to be 60, 70 years old, can't work anymore, and then broke. That sounds horrible. That scares me, just thinking about that. And I have 50 years until I retire. So,
if you like my video,
hit the like button, please. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I love hearing from you guys.
as always, hit that
Subscribe button to show some support for the channel. And watch my end screen, because there's going to be a video here and a video here. And you can hit subscribe right there. Thanks for watching. Work safe.